Hiding for my life and I'm crying, I'm alive. You died and I was trying not to cry. My heart is full of tears as I kissed her goodnight. My mother went to heaven and I didn't say goodbye. I stay awake at night and pretend the pain has died, but it's killing me inside. To have you here, I would give away my life. It didn't rain tonight, so I spent the day inside. I try to kill my heart, but I am afraid to die. They told me that you'll be okay, but that was a lie. I bleed when I cough, when I think that you're gone. The only thing I wanted was to be a family. I wrote you this song and I would give anything just to be in your arms. I'm alone when I sleep, it's cold when I dream. Wish I could have you here standing next to me. I can't believe I had you once in my life, then you leave. I'm afraid of breathing air. I'm sorry you're alone, you're afraid of being scared. My mom passed away and my father didn't care. Why this life has to be so unfair? If you look in the sky, then the rain is bleeding tears. I had no one to show me how to conquer my fears. I was only a little girl with a heart made of gold, but now it's cold cause I'm alone in this world. I can't face the fact that you're gone forever. I thought a mother and a daughter supposed to stay together, but I thought wrong. Once I opened my eyes, you were gone. When is this pain that I feel going to heal? I'm tired of hurting. My heart keeps on burning. New pain keeps on forming. Now there's no more blue skies. I thought life was given to everyone who tries. I try to hide my tears. I took them away. It was hard. I suffered every day, but the pain was too strong. Nobody thought that I knew what was going on, but I did. I remember the pain I felt, tears dripping down my face just like hell it felt. My life and a part of me was taken away. Days kept on passing by slower. Thought my life was over. I grew up, then I understood that she had to take God's hand. Now I have an angel looking over my shoulder. I know it's her. I just wish I could reach out and hold her. I know I'll see her someday and the pain will finally go away. Happy birthday, Mom.